Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual, I'll get to it. This was a really fun sketch to try and get or capture because she had really interesting features. Her head was tilted slightly up, and I felt like I could actually add some creative license in the earrings, and then this one had a headscarf. And again, I made a little bit more space for the headscarf and the earrings again. So it's once you get to a level where you are, you are becoming more competent and more confident as well, you can try different looks on a sketch or painting or whatever. So utilising geometric and observational methods combined with good speed, creating the feedback loop where you get the information that you can then go back to and see what you utilised for that approach and how you were able to capture it and what you would not do in the future if it went not to your liking, essentially. So I'm really happy with the results. Let me know what you think and I'll get back to you. Thanks guys.